Last time we mentioned the stable performance of the HENGKO HG808-T series high-temperature and humidity transmitter in high-temperature environments. So, what are its typical applications? First, with plus 190 degrees Celsius high-temperature resistance, it can be used in temperature and humidity monitoring in conditions like industrial combustion flue gas emissions, high-temperature drying, and high-temperature process engineering. Secondly, due to high precision and high-temperature resistant sensing elements, it's suitable for data collection in processes like printing and dyeing, textile shaping, and food baking. Finally, thanks to stainless steel corrosion-resistant components, it can handle extreme harsh environments. Of course, its applications are far more than these. For more details, email ka@henko.com or comment below.